Hello everyone, thanks for joining in. Today's video I'll be doing a pick and gut of this Master Lock 6835. This video, or this lock was recently part of a short that I did the other day, picking this one-handed, and figured I'd go ahead and get the video out on how I did it, the tools I used, and show what's inside. So without further ado, the tool that I used on top was this Topo keyway tension tool in 40 thou or 1 millimeter, and then the standard short hook in 20 thou or half millimeter. And then for the picking, I was using this warding right here to use as my fulcrum for the pick. So without further ado, let's get picking. Hopefully I can do this for you here. So back pin set automatically. I got a spool pin with some counter rotation that felt good. And let's see here. I got another spool pin, it feels like, with counter rotation. I'm not getting too many good clicks out of this. But got a nice fall set there. And then, let's see. Easing off tension, applying tension, trying to find where my spool pins are. So you can see a counter rotation here on pin 4, and then again just kind of feeling my way around. Okay, I'm on pin 1 now. I thought I had some counter rotation. There it is. So pin 1 there. Let's see, there it is. So need a little extra touch, but this did feel like it, there's 5 pins for sure. Felt like all of them were spools, maybe one standard pin here. So I'm gonna readjust, try to keep everything in focus. That's been something that people have asked to make sure there's no funny business. So I don't want people to think I'm doing anything weird here or off kilter. So I'm gonna try to keep everything in focus and do a better job of that, because definitely nothing funny going on here. I do have the key, don't need to worry about that right now. And then as much as I know is there's a Phillips screw in here, so I'll go ahead and get this removed, and everything else is going to be a surprise for you and me. All right, so very similar to an American 1100 here. And then this has a little circular clip, and I'll open this up, try to remove it with this screwdriver. Also, just as a brief heads up, I've started looking into making a clip tool for removal. I know there's a few people out there that make these, but I think I'm gonna put my hat in the ring and try to design my own, see what happens. Alright, so I need the key. So you heard it here first. Don't know how long this is going to take, but that is something that I've thought about playing with. Alright, so got my follower here, and hopefully I can get this open without making too big of a mess. So slowly move that out of the way. Use my follower. All right. So let's see what our key pins look like. All right, pin 1 here. Standard. I think these are all standard. Pin 2. Three, that went in the wrong hole. We'll do pin 5 and come back. So this is a 6-pin core, but they're only using 5 of them. All right, so yeah, so those are all standard pins here. Got some tweezers, get those organized right. Nothing too wacky. And again, I've never heard of this lock, so I was happy to get it and give it a try. Let's see here. Like I said, I think there's going to be some a decent amount of security pins in here. All right, so pin 1 is indeed a spool. Pin 2, a spool. Pin 3, oh, got shot out of there, but it's also a spool. Pin, oh, the spring came out with it. Put that up here. I guess I'll pull all those springs out. There's 1 spring, 2 spring, 3 springs. Oh, that was a little damaged. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Pin 5 is a spool. All right, so yeah, loaded up with lots of spools here. And let's see what the last one is. I'm guessing a standard pin. I didn't feel anything fancy back there. I think it's a serrated pin. Yep, so that's a serrated pin. So these are all security pins. I guess I'll dump all the springs out. I think that's all of them. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's all of that. So here's a close-up of what we have here. So you can see pin 1, 2, 3, 4 were all spool pins, and then pin 5 was a serrated pin. Hopefully you like this content. Hopefully I didn't drag it on too much. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day.